In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign a document using Docusign and Google Docs. If you're new to this process or just need a refresher, don't worry, we're going to guide you step by step through it. So, let's dive in. First, we'll begin with exporting your document from Google Docs. Open your Google Doc that you'd like to be signed. Once you have your document ready, navigate to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over the Download option. Here, you'll see several formats available for download. Since we're aiming to upload the document to Docusign, you're going to want to select PDF document, PDF. This format is widely accepted and ensures your document maintains its original layout and structure. Once you click on it, the document will begin to download to your computer, typically saving in your default Downloads folder. Now that you have your PDF ready, we'll move on to the next crucial step, which is uploading it to Docusign. Open your web browser and head over to https://docusign.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you're all set up, just log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a button named Start. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose the Send an Envelope option. The term envelope here refers to the digital container that will hold your document as well as specify who needs to sign it. With the envelope open, you'll be prompted to upload your document. Find your downloaded PDF and upload it into this space. If you have multiple documents, you can upload them all at once. After your files are uploaded, it's time to add the recipients. Type in the email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. Make sure to double-check these email addresses, as any errors could delay the signing process. Once you've added your recipients, you'll need to place the necessary signature fields within the document. This step is important because it indicates exactly where each party should sign, as well as any other information they might need to provide. Docusign makes this pretty straightforward with a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Simply drag the signature field over to the designated area in your document where a signature is needed. You can also include additional fields for information like dates or initials if necessary. After carefully placing all the fields, you're just about ready to send it out. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring all fields are correctly placed and all recipients are correctly listed. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Send button, and off it goes to the recipients for signing. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a digital document for signature using Docusign from a Google Doc. Remember, keeping a digital workflow not only saves time, but also adds an extra layer of security and convenience in managing important documents.